So as we have completed the code, only we have to calibrate the sensor. This block below the sensor, it will detect the block and send the information to the Arduino, and we can see this information in this serial monitor. So here you can see RGB values. When we put these blue color blocks behind the sensor, there is some changes in blue color readings. So according to these readings, we have to make some conditions, like if the value is below or greater than these values, then this motor rotate till the blue container. Same for the green, red and yellow. Hey guys, welcome back again. My name is Shahid and I'm an electronics engineer. And this time I have made a very useful and very creative project, which is color sorting machine. It is having three blocks. First is power and PCB block. Second is conveyor belt, and third one is container. In this power block, we have used a power supply of 12 volt and 5 ampere, and there is a circuit board which we have made for this color sorting machine. Here we are using an Arduino stepper driver and a MOSFET to control this DC motor, and the stepper driver to control for stepper motor, which is behind this container. And this is the buck converter, which is used to step down the voltage. So we can collect the 5 voltage from the buck converter, which can help to operate the sensors here. So this is the conveyor belt part. So here you can see a DC motor and some bearings, and you can see a color sensor here, which is TCS 3200. And below this container, we are using a stepper motor, which can control the degree of rotation. So I'm going to demonstrate how does it work. So when I start this project, antenna start rotating and find its initial position. It is very important to find its initial position because we have to rotate it by degrees, like 90 degree to 70 degree or one. After finding the initial position of this container, then the conveyor belt start rotating. When I put this blue color box on the conveyor belt, we are using a sensor, which is TCS 3200. It detects the color and send the command to the stepper motor to rotate at a certain angle. So the blue color box collect by the blue color container. For the red color and yellow color, you can add more color according to your requirement. So this is the working of color sorting machine. I hope you like this project. If you want to make this project, we have shared all the details, code, circuit and other details on our website, which is techatronic.com, and the link given in the description. Also, if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.